The decision to celebrate reggae in February coincides with the celebration of the birth of several of the genre's iconic figures, among them the King of Reggae, Bob Marley, on February 6, and reggae's Crown Prince, Dennis Emmanuel Brown, on February 1.
Reggae is not just for entertainment or fun. It's a lifestyle. It's a movement. As they say, a movement of Jah people.
The celebration of Reggae Month began when, as minister on behalf of the government of Jamaica and in consultation with players in the music industry, I wrote to the Governor General requesting his consideration in declaring February Reggae Month. As a result, the House will recall that Reggae Month was declared a national observation in 2008 by the Governor General.
Reggae music has always been a beacon, igniting our collective passion as Jamaicans. Through its diverse expression, reggae inspires, relaxes, motivates, and unites people across the globe.
Our music in Jamaica has been a game changer for many. It's contributed to the uplift of our people in many ways. You see, in the very beginning, most of our artists just wanted to hear themselves on a record. Better still if it was on the radio. But later on, they realized that making music and making good music is something that can employ others, empower them in many ways. Just the way that we'll sing about Marcus Garvey, for example, or focus on any issue that's taking place. It allows our population, or at least those who listen closely to music, to have a perspective and enter into the conversation around local and international issues.
Reggae music transcends language, culture, and other divides that might otherwise separate us. So I want to invite my colleagues here to participate in much of the events as they can, and to use this month with our music to unite us as we speak of one love, one heart. Let's get together and feel all right.